everyone. So today I'm going to make banana nut bread, but I'm going to add a little twist to it. Instead of making bread, I'm going to make it into muffins. So the reason we're this far apart is because my other stand broke. It just kept falling over. So hopefully you can get the gist of what I'm doing. The recipe I found is in Ada Community Cookbook. I've had this way back when I was doing daycare. Years ago. Alright, it says 2 cups of flour, but I'm also going to add in some flaxseed. So they say not to tap down your flour, so I'm not. Putting it in my KitchenAid. Two cups of flour. Teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt. I've got kosher salt. It says 1 cup of sugar, try to take the clumps out of there, a lot of sugar. I'm gonna mix that real quick. I am going to add some cinnamon, even though it didn't call for it. I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon of some fresh nutmeg. I don't know if you've never used fresh nutmeg. It is wonderful. And a little goes a long way. Just saying. But you still want that flavor in there. We like ours a little spicier. And it smells wonderful. And these last forever if you buy the nut itself. It called for butter. A half a cup of butter or margarine. I'm going to put in 1/4 cup of, or 1/3 cup of olive vegetable oil. I just mixed around that. Ingredients. Calls for 2 eggs, 2 eggs. I am going to sneak in some flaxseed, so husband gets some flaxseed in them. It's healthy. About 1.5 tablespoons. And a little bit of vanilla, about 1 tablespoon. Then I'm going to stick my bananas in there. Just going to pour that right in. It smells good already. Give that a mix. And then it says cream, butter, and sugar, all that, which I didn't do because I'm using the olive oil. And pour into your pans when it's done. And just scoop it Tap it in there. When I'm done with this in the pans, I'm going to tap them down so that the bottoms all get good. Try to straighten them out as much as I can, because you know how muffins like to bend and roll. There. This is what they look like. And then I'm going to pop them in my toaster oven. It says for at 350 for 67 minutes, but that's for a loaf. But if you're doing muffins, I encourage you guys to want to make some awesome banana muffins with whatever topping you like. And if you do, let me know in a comment below. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. You all have a blessed day. Bye.